step into the Jeep 2020 Gladiator Sport S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, quick order package 24S included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, speed-sensitive power locks automatic headlamps leather-wrapped steering wheel front 1 touchdown power windows power heated mirrors security alarm power tailgate lock remote keyless entry sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, 3.73 rear axle ratio, STD, tires, 245/75 R17